So here I have created the two logos that we will be using for our campaign on fighting racism. And as you can see from these two logos, one is geared towards the United States and the other towards the UK. We have kept the logos fairly simplistic and wanted them to be easily recognizable at first glance. We have shaking hands for the United States logo there, and our slogan is in the red, white, and blue with the stars and whatnot there. But we wanted something that would be associated with the United States every time it is seen, and I think what better than the American flag to know who you're gearing that to. Same thing goes with the United Kingdom. Example, we use the United Kingdom flag and then the red, white, and blue in our logo there as well. So that's something that they could relate to there with the use of their flag. As for logo size, we needed to consider what the logos can be used for. For example, you could have billboards, which would need a bigger image, or mailers, envelopes, stationaries, anything like that would need a smaller scaled logo. So the point I'm getting to here is we need to be able to adjust the different sizes for these different uses. But the important part of it is we don't want any pixelation or any blurriness or anything that makes the logo unrecognizable, and which then makes it look poorly to the viewer, and that reflects on us that would look poorly. When considering color of the logos, on the US logo I use the red, white, and blue for the font. Again, that's something Americans can relate to. Also use the stars and flag. Again, same with the United Kingdom. I use red, white, and blue as that's their flag, and I use their flag in the logo as well. With the hands and the shaking of the hands and the arms in the air, I use red and blue for those. Red is a sign of power and encouragement, so I felt that was important. And then blue is a sign of loyalty and calmness. So, I mean, it was fitting for both logos. I know there's not a difference between the two, but it's something that fits into the scheme for both countries with those colors. So I decided to stick with that for both of those. And then finally, I chose to use images of hands in both logos because on the top one, the holding or shaking of the hands is a sign of unity, and I felt that was important. And the hands in the air on the bottom is a sign of unity as well, or solidarity. And I felt it was important that we got that message across to our viewers, and that they felt that when they looked at our logos. So I feel like these will be two great logos for our campaign, and I hope we go with them. Thank you.